For regular tech updates and to support this channel, please click below on this button to subscribe, and to get instant notification of the new videos uploaded on this channel, click on this bell button.
Hi, in today's video we'll be doing an unboxing of the new addition in my gadget kitty, which is Sennheiser's HD205 headsets. My name is Rakesh and you're watching Tech Today. So along with the unboxing of the Sennheiser's headset, I will also be sharing my views on the quality of sound output this device produces. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So this is Sennheiser's HD205 headsets. At the bottom of this box, we find the Sennheiser's branding. Here on the top of this box, we find an image of a DJ that symbolizes that this headset could be a good choice for DJs. Here on the back side, on the right side, we get to see some features of this headset and a logo of 2 years warranty. And on the left side, we get to see some import details like import address, import month, and the MRP of this product. The MRP mentioned on this product is 3,990. At Amazon, you will find this headset for about 3,388 rupees. The link is given below in the description. If you're interested in buying this headset, you can click on the link and buy the same. At the bottom of this box, we get to see some other features like we get a 3-meter cable, 3.5 mm jack. Along with that, we also get a 6.3 mm adapter which can get screwed on 3.5 mm jack. On the top, we find Sennheiser's branding along with a logo of 2 years warranty which we get with this headset. Alright, let's start the unboxing of this headset. So here is our headset. Here you can have a close look of it. Let's take out it from this box. Here at the center we find cable management of this headset. And here in this box, this is 6.3 mm adapter. This adapter can get screwed over the 3.5 mm audio jack. Let me put it back and check out this headset. So this is 3 meters long cable which we get along with this headset with a gold plated 3.5 mm jack which has threads for 6.3 mm audio jack adapter. In hand, this headset gives feeling of premiumness. It is made up of high quality plastic. Here in the top we find Sennheiser's branding along with Sennheiser's logo. On the left side of this headset, we find the model number of this headset, Sennheiser's logo, and left indicator. On the right side, again we find the headset's model number, Sennheiser's logo, and the right side indicator. This is how we can extend the reach of these ear cups according to the requirement. Here on this right side we get this indicator. According to this, we can rotate this ear cup on right or the left side, like this. On the left ear cup, we can extend the reach but we can't rotate it. And also indicator is not given here. These ear cups are nicely cushioned here to give the best comfort to your ears. And also we have decent cushioning for this head area. Alright, let's see what else do we get inside this box. So here's another small box. Let's open it. It looks like that we get a pouch here for this headset. And that's correct. Here we get a decent quality PVC material pouch, which can be used to put the headset inside this while we are traveling. And that's how you can fit in your headset inside this pouch. Alright, let's see how it feels when we wear it on the head. Let me adjust the sides of this headset first. So these headsets are perfectly fitting on my head and perfectly covering both the ears. Both the side we get the decent cushioning. And that's how you can rotate the right ear cup of this headset when you want to observe the surrounding while listening to the music, or if you are a DJ. And this ear cup can rotate on the either sides like this. That's it for this video. I'm definitely liking the sound quality of this headset. I hope you would have liked this video, and if you really did, hit that like button, share with your friends, and till now if you have not subscribed our channel, hit this red button. And don't forget to hit that bell icon, which will give you instant notifications about the videos which we keep on uploading on our channel. Thanks for watching Tech Today.